Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Here with Landen. Trying to get him a turkey this morning. They got a bird here yesterday. Sounds like they're in the area, so. Third day of the season. Yep. I'm going to try to get it done.
That's so funny. Yeah. Might be on the ground. Yeah, I was gonna say that too. Yeah, they're on the ground. They definitely are. Yeah. Yeah. We just gotta find out which direction they're gonna go. Right. If they come on my side, just come to my side of the tree. Okay. Loop around the back side. Probably on the front and be like right where I am. Like just come right through here. Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Yeah, it's tough. It's hard to tell. Right? What? You might be safer over here. Hold on, stop. They're right there. Yeah. They're going to my decoy. Shoot again. Shoot again.
Alright. You could have smoked them if you were where I was. Like 10 yards.
That's right.
What?
That's alright. It happens.
Were they attacking my decoy or what were they doing?
Well, when I turned around the corner, they saw me and spooked, so I just let it rip. They were coming right into the decoy too, though.
Alright, strike one.
just the awkward angle with it being, I've never been to this spot before. And they could have came one of two ways of a thicket, and I couldn't see in the dark that it was way thicker on the left, and that's what we set up for. But we heard some gobbles across the road, so maybe they will work, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so this spot is only 40 acres, and there's nothing else here. So we're gonna actually go drive around and knock on some doors and see if we can't get some more permission. So we just got permission at a spot. We were driving around, saw some birds in the field, went and asked. Sweet little old lady gave us permission for the day. There's birds in the field. There's a bunch of strutters, and we saw them fighting. So hopefully they like the strutter. I kind of have a good feeling we can call them in, but there is hens with them, I think, so so it could be stuck there. All right, we're currently moving around. We're trying to get, they're heading to the right, which is towards the wood line, not the road, which is good. So we're currently trying to get in the woods. All right, we're set up, decent spot, I think. We're sort of at the top of the hill. It goes down in there at the bottom. We're gonna give it our best shot, not be too aggressive, and hope it works out. You can hear him drumming from here. That's so pretty. Well, we got close. I got to like 60 yards and just didn't want to commit. There's two jakes with them. They were shootable. Yeah, Tom stayed on the other side. We talked about sneaking up to that little tree too, so that's kind of a bummer, but we're still trying. All right, another permission piece. Saw, I think, 8 turkeys down in this field. It's a plowed field. It's kind of a little awkward spot, but we're gonna try to sneak around them. Hopefully it works out. Well, Landen is currently trying to stalk them with the Reaper decoy. Hopefully next clip is running up to Landen with a bird, so stay tuned. Landen made it to the corner and said he's in the far corner, so might be a minute. Well, strike 2. Landen snuck down that field edge and I guess came like 15 yards and who knows what happened?
Turned on.
No dice again. So, it's a plan what we do now. Go find another bird. Or call it. Alright, find another bird. We've got birds gobbling. It's a beautiful sunrise. Got the decoy out there. We got a bird this way. Bird across the road. This bird's close. We're set up on him. I think pretty decent. Right in a little pocket of woods. On the edge of a field, I have a decoy. And then Landen's a little bit in front of me, so I pray it works out. I called a little bit and then he gobbled. So he knows we're here. Probably just gonna shut up and hopefully he does his thing. So, fingers crossed. Alright. I was watching the turkey from the tree and we pitched down the other way and it's continuing to go that way. So we're not going to waste any time. We're going to try to find another bird. There's gobbles kind of everywhere, so try to find something that'll work. So there's kind of gobbles in a lot of places. It's really windy. We're at the corner of this property. Their property Landen missed yesterday, first time. All the birds left their property around this morning, so I could actually see them from the tree. Pitched down the other way, went the other way. Not much you can do there. Brian, we got today. We probably won't hunt crazy long today. We got wiped out yesterday. Hi. He's coming, dude. Remember to line that second BB. You might have to get your gun up pretty soon. He's gonna come really close. He's already really close. Sure. He's like right here. He's on top of us. Attaboy.
Let's go, dude. Oh my gosh. Whew,
Oh my gosh, there's no head left.
oh, he was fucking 7 yards.
Oh.
I didn't really want to shoot through there, but I was like, wow.
Dude, that is the coolest turkey footage
Really?
I've ever got.
Dude, I'm like a fucking dozer. Oh my god.
Oh, it's a nice bird too, dude.
Dude, let's go.
Look at his, where's his head? Oh my gosh. There's no way we just did that.
Dude, we did it.
That's insane. The strutter decoy.
Let's go.
Do some. Dude, that is, I'm not kidding you.
sweet.
That is the, like,
I'm shaking.
well, I had it all the way zoomed in. I didn't want to move.
Yeah.
And so it's like, he fills up the entire frame.
Dude, look at my foot. I'm like, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm like literally shaking.
Dude, that's a nice bird too.
Yeah.
Look, he's got nice spurs.
Yeah.
That's a big beard. Dude, there's no, you took out the back of its head. Look at oh my gosh.
Okay, so he had to have been right here when I hit him. 6 yards.
Oh my gosh. Dude, let's go. Congratulations, 3rd time's a charm.
I didn't strike out.
You didn't strike out.
I just used my 2 strikes. Home run on the 3rd.
That's so cool. Dude, I'm so excited to see that footage.
Yeah, that's gonna be sweet. Dude, I shot through that. I was hoping he'd cut to the left. Like, I didn't want to shoot it through that.
Dude, we're
but
like,
his head was right there. Like, I had the gun up and he was here, and I knew he was gonna walk right to here, and I was like, I'm not gonna have a better chance than that, so I gotta take a picture of like where I shot it to.
all right. So camera, little rundown. I think the last thing I did, we were sitting in the woods, and that's like the first property we hunted, and nothing there, super windy, we were cold, so we're like, well, let's get around, walk around. So we're just driving around checking fields, and we're like, oh shoot, there's I think there's 2 toms and a hen, and then there's 1 tom like farther back. And so we came up and asked this guy for permission. He's super nice. Got permission, and so the plan was, you can see here's the field. Plan was we were gonna sneak down here, boom, walk on the edge, and they were down in that far corner, and we were stepping right here, and I was like, oh shoot, that's a head. And so we just get down, and Landon gets behind the bulldozer.
I crawled behind
and I just laid
over there.
I laid behind the decoy and just kept spinning it, and had the camera underneath the decoy. And let's pace it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 yards. Right.
I think he was getting closer to it.
Yeah, he could have been closer.
I mean, there's blood stuff there.
Yeah. 3.5 turkey load at point blank. That's harder. I think that's easier to miss then. All right, well, finally got it done. It's been a long 2 days, but 3rd time's a charm. But yeah, that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.